Let's make a daily checklist in Notion step by step. Open your browser to notion.so and sign in. I'm already inside a workspace with the left sidebar open. Click New Page at the top of the left sidebar. A blank page opens with the title field highlighted. Type Daily Checklist. The page name updates in the sidebar and the title sits at the top of the page. Press Enter to move from the title into the page body. Type /template and press Enter. Notion inserts a template button block. I use this instead of a plain checklist because a daily checklist has to start clean each morning and nobody wants to manually uncheck every box from the day before. The page now shows a button with a configure option next to it. Click the button's label and type Daily Reset. Then click Configure Template. The template editor opens and that's where we build the real list. Inside the template editor, type /H1 and press Enter. The blank line turns into a large heading. Type Morning. This sections the page so the tasks don't become one long stack of checkboxes. Press Enter to get a new block under Morning. Type /To-Do and press Enter. The row turns into a to-do item with a checkbox on the left. Type Review the Calendar. Press Enter to add another checkbox. Type Drink Water. Press Enter again and type Work on the most important task for 90 minutes. I put a time frame on that third task because it removes the morning decision about how long to work. Now hover over the 6-dot handle next to Review the Calendar and drag it above Drink Water. The blue line shows where it will land. I keep calendar review first because it tells me what is actually urgent before I start drinking water. After that third item, press Enter. Notion gives you another empty checkbox. Type /H1 and press Enter. The new row changes into a heading. Type Midday. Press Enter below it. Type /To-Do. Press Enter and type Take a 10-minute walk. Press Enter and type Eat lunch away from the desk. These are small resets so the day doesn't turn into one long sitting session. Press Enter after the last midday task. Type /H1 and press Enter to turn the empty checkbox into another heading. Type Evening. Press Enter, type /To-Do. Press Enter and type Inbox 0 for 10 minutes. Press Enter and type Plan tomorrow's top 3. If you want a subtask, press Tab on a new line and Notion indents the checkbox under the one above it. Now click outside the template editor or click its X to close it. The page collapses back down to the button. The tasks are not gone, they're stored inside the template. Click the button now. Notion drops a fresh copy of the entire checklist onto the page with every checkbox empty. That's the button you'll press each morning to start a clean list. If you click the button twice, Notion adds a second copy, so I only click it once. Click the checkbox next to Review the Calendar. It fills with a blue check and the text gets struck through. Notion keeps the completed item visible so you can see what you've done instead of having it disappear. At the end of the day, hover over the Used checklist, click the 6-dot handle and choose Delete. The page stays clean and the button stays ready for tomorrow. Now there are two things you'll want to know. If you want to change a task permanently, click Configure Template and edit the list inside the editor. Editing the copy on the page won't change what the button creates tomorrow, and that's the mistake most people make. If you want a separate weekend checklist, right-click the Daily Checklist page in the left sidebar and choose Duplicate. Rename the copy Weekend Checklist, open it, and change the template inside that page. You can also drag the Daily Checklist page into another page from the sidebar if you want to keep your workspace tidy. Before you close the tab, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push this video to other people trying to build the same checklist.